Have you ever wondered what actually happens to your body when you sit inside a sauna? At first, it might just feel like you're sitting in a very hot room, but the moment you walk into a sauna, your body begins reacting almost immediately. The temperature inside most saunas can reach somewhere between 70 and 100 degrees Celsius, which is far hotter than the environment your body is normally used to. Because the human body tries very hard to maintain a stable internal temperature of about 37 degrees Celsius, stepping into that kind of heat triggers a whole chain reaction of responses. Your body basically goes into cooling mode. Within the first couple of minutes, your blood vessels begin to widen in a process called vasodilation. This allows more blood to flow closer to the surface of your skin, so heat can escape more easily. That's why people often notice their skin turning slightly red or flushed when they sit in a sauna. At the same time, your heart starts beating faster because it needs to pump that blood around your body more quickly. In fact, your heart rate in a sauna can rise to levels similar to what you might experience during light exercise like a brisk walk. Even though you're just sitting there, your cardiovascular system is actually working quite a bit harder. As the heat continues to build around you, your body activates one of its most powerful cooling systems, sweating. After a few minutes inside the sauna, sweat glands begin producing moisture at a much higher rate. Sweat forms on the surface of your skin and starts to evaporate, which helps remove heat from your body. This is the same cooling mechanism that protects you when you exercise or spend time in hot weather. In a sauna, though, the effect is much more intense. Many people can lose half a liter or even a full liter of sweat during a single sauna session. Because of this, it's very common to step out of a sauna feeling lighter and sometimes a bit thirsty. That temporary weight loss is mostly water weight, not fat, which is why drinking water afterward is very important. Staying hydrated helps your body recover and keeps your temperature regulation system working properly. Another interesting thing that happens during a sauna session is the way your muscles start to relax. Heat naturally helps loosen tight muscles and connective tissues, which is one reason athletes often use saunas after workouts. When the body warms up, circulation increases and more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to muscle tissue. This can help reduce stiffness and soreness that builds up after exercise or long periods of sitting. Many people notice that tension in areas like the shoulders, neck, or lower back slowly fades away while they sit in the heat. The warmth encourages the body to release that built-up tension, almost like a natural massage from the inside. Even if you haven't been exercising, the relaxing effect on your muscles can feel incredibly soothing after a long or stressful day. Your brain also reacts to the sauna experience in a pretty fascinating way. As your body adjusts to the heat, it begins releasing chemicals called endorphins. These are often called feel-good hormones because they create a sense of relaxation and well-being. This is one of the reasons people often step out of a sauna feeling calm, refreshed, and even a little bit euphoric. The heat environment also encourages your nervous system to shift into what scientists call a parasympathetic state. This is the mode your body enters when it's resting and recovering. Your breathing becomes slower, your muscles stay relaxed, and your mind starts to quiet down. For many people, the sauna becomes a place where they can mentally disconnect from the stress of daily life. It's not unusual for people to sit quietly in a sauna and feel their thoughts slow down while their body relaxes. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Your skin is another part of the body that responds strongly to sauna heat. As circulation increases, more blood flows through the tiny vessels near the surface of your skin. This can give your skin a temporary healthy glow that many people notice right after a session. The heavy sweating also opens up pores and helps wash away oils, dirt, and dead skin cells from the surface. While saunas don't technically detox your body the way some people claim, because the liver and kidneys handle most detoxification, they can still leave your skin feeling very clean and refreshed. After leaving the sauna and cooling down, many people like to take a cold shower or rinse with cool water, which can feel incredibly refreshing and help the body return to its normal temperature. Another thing researchers have noticed is that the body produces certain protective proteins when exposed to heat. These are known as heat shock proteins, and they play an important role in helping cells deal with stress. Think of them as tiny repair workers that help maintain and protect the structures inside your cells. Heat exposure can also cause small temporary increases in hormones such as growth hormone, which plays a role in tissue repair and metabolism. These changes are usually short-lived, but they show how the body responds dynamically to environmental stress like heat. Even though sitting in a sauna might feel relaxing, your body is actually performing a complex balancing act behind the scenes. Interestingly, regular sauna use has been studied quite a lot, especially in countries where it's part of everyday life. In places like Finland, sauna bathing has been a cultural tradition for hundreds of years. Many families use a sauna several times a week, sometimes even daily. Researchers studying these populations have found that frequent sauna use is associated with certain long-term health benefits, including improved cardiovascular health and possibly lower risk of some heart-related diseases. Scientists believe this may be connected to the repeated cycles of heating and cooling, which gently challenge the cardiovascular system and may help improve circulation over time. While sauna sessions shouldn't replace exercise or medical care, they can certainly be part of a healthy lifestyle when used responsibly. Of course, like anything that puts stress on the body, saunas should be used with some basic caution. Because you lose so much fluid through sweat, dehydration is the most common risk. Spending too long in very high temperatures can also lead to dizziness or overheating, especially if you stand up quickly or haven't had enough water. That's why most experts recommend staying in the sauna for about 10 to 20 minutes at a time and then taking a break to cool down. Listening to your body is important. If you ever feel lightheaded or uncomfortable, it's best to step out and rest. What makes the sauna experience so interesting is how it combines physical and mental effects at the same time. Your heart is working harder, your circulation is increasing, your muscles are relaxing, and your brain is releasing calming chemicals all at once. When you finally step out of the heat and feel the cool air on your skin, the contrast can feel incredibly refreshing. Many people describe the sensation as a reset for both the body and the mind. It's a simple experience, just heat, sweat, and relaxation, but it activates many of the body's natural systems in a powerful way. So the next time you sit in a sauna and feel the warmth surrounding you, remember that your body is doing much more than just sitting still. Your cardiovascular system is pumping faster, your skin is working to cool you down, your muscles are unwinding, and your brain is shifting into a calm and relaxed state. All of these processes happen automatically, turning a quiet moment in a hot room into a surprisingly complex and beneficial experience for the human body. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.